A very good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter number 5, and the name of the chapter is Onam. Okay? So, today we will do the reading of chapter number 5, and along with the reading, we will do the back exercise also. So, you all have to do the back exercise of this chapter in your book. Okay, so let us start with the reading. Everybody write on date and the grade task on the page. Okay, so this is your exercise beta. Let us start with the reading now. So hope you all have written date and grade task on the top. So this is our chapter, that is Onam. Onam is the main festival of Kerala. It is celebrated in South India. Okay, so this is the main festival of Kerala. Okay, yes. So it celebrated almost. It celebrates the people of Kerala celebrate it in the month of September. In September it comes. Okay, and this festival is celebrated. The king on the, King Mahabali. Let us read the story of King Mahabali. Okay, let's start with the reading. First of all, we will do the words which are given on the top. CELEBRATE, celebrate. ENTRANCE, entrance. FEAST, feast. DISHES, dishes. DELICIOUS, delicious, tasty. INVITE, invite. So these are your words which you have to underline. Let's do the reading. Malu comes running into the room. She is Malu. Amuma, she is Amuma. Amuma, please tell me the story of Onam. So she says to her mother, please tell me the story of Amuma. Please tell me the story of Onam. Onam is the festival, their festival. My little butterfly, I have told you the story so many times. Amuma says, I told you the story so many times. I like to listen to it from you, Malu says. Then Malu says, I like to listen it from you. Amuma smiles. And begins to tell the story. In South, Amuma this says to mother or grandmother. Okay. Long ago, there lived a king. His name was Mahabali. He was a kind king. He looked after the people of Kerala very well. So Mahabali was a very good king. He loved the people and he take care of the people. So people loves him a lot. The people loved him. People believe, BELIEVE, believe that he visits them every year even after his death. So the people of the village believe that Mahabali is dead, but still he visits to us every year even after his death. Why does he visit his people? When does he visit? Then Malu asks why he visits to his people and when he visits to his people. Why and when? What do people do when he visits them? And when he visit means when he comes to them, to their village or to their houses, what the people do? Malu asks so many questions. Malu, Amuma says. So many questions, Malu. Amuma says, Malu, you are asking so many questions. King Mahabali wanted his people to be always happy. He wanted that his people should be happy always. So, it is said that he comes to see them every year on Onam. So, the people of the village believe that every year on the festival of Onam, on this festival he comes to their places. Like we are believing that on Diwali goddess Lakshmi is coming to us, same day they are also believing this. Amma, do people celebrate the festival of Onam to welcome King Mahabali? Malu asked. Then Malu asked, Amma, it means if they are celebrating Onam, means they are celebrating this festival to welcome the King Mahabali? Yes, people wear new clothes and make special food on Onam. On this day they are celebrating, they are making special dishes, special food, and they are wearing new clothes. Like we are wearing new clothes, we are decorating our houses, and we on the festival of Diwali, same way they are also celebrating their festival. They make a pookalam with flowers at the entrance of their homes to welcome King Mahabali. Like we are making rongoli at the entrance, same way they are making pookalam at the entrance. This is pookalam. Pookalam is usually they uses flowers. It is made of flowers. Okay, like we are making rangoli with the colors, they are making it with the flowers. Pookalam. They sing songs about him. Amuma replies. Then Amuma replies, they sing songs about him. About him means about King Mahabali. I love sitting on the floor and eating from the banana leaf on Onam, Malu says. Malu says, I love sitting on the floor and eating banana on Onam. They are eating dishes on banana leaf. The Onam Sadhya is a special feast. Feast means like meal, special meal. Sadhya. Let me show you the Sadhya. What is Sadhya? So this is Sadhya. Okay, SADYA. Usually they are using more than 24 or more than 24 dishes. So this is banana leaf. So they call it Sadhya. Let me show you pookalam also. So these are pookalam. They use different color flowers to make this pookalam. Okay, let's come back. I love sitting on the floor and eating from the banana leaf on Onam, Malu says. Malu says, I love sitting on the floor and eating from banana leaf. Banana leaf, they are giving dishes. The Onam Sadhya is a special feast. Okay, special feast. Feast is kind of a dish they are eating. Okay, like we are doing parties, we are sitting together and we are eating, that is feast. Do you know that it has 24 or more dishes? Means it has 24 or more than 24 dishes. Amuma asked, really, you make the most delicious Onam Sadhya? Amuma, Malu says. Then Malu says to Amuma, you make the most delicious Onam Sadhya. Sadhya means 24 dishes which they are keeping on the banana leaf. So you are making a delicious Sadhya always on Onam. Thank you, dear, Amuma says. When is Onam this year? Malu asked. Then Malu asked, when is the Onam this year? This year Onam is in September. We will celebrate it in our house. Amuma says, this year Onam is in the month of September. We will celebrate it in our house. Next, that's next month. Amuma, may I please invite, means call my friends for Sadhya? May I? Then Malu asked to Amuma, may I call my friends also for this Sadhya, for this feast? Of course, Malu, we will make the pookalam together. Pookalam, I told you, it is made of flowers. So she said, yes, you can call your friends. We will make the pookalam at the entrance of our house. Amuma says with a smile. Thank you, Amuma. You are the best. Malu hugs Amuma. Then Malu hugs her mother, Amuma. Okay. So this is our chapter Onam. Onam is a festival of Kerala. People celebrate it with, like we are celebrating Diwali. They worship King Mahabali on this day. Like we are worshipping Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi. They worship King Mahabali on this day. They are making sadhya. They make sadhya on this day, and they make Pookalam. So these two are different words. Learn it. Pookalam. This is Pookalam, and sadhya I show you. It has 24 or more than 24 dishes. They are keeping all that dishes on a banana leaf. Okay, so that is sadhya. Okay, so this is better. That's all reading. After this, you have to do this reading also. This back exercise. Let's do the back exercise. Okay, so first, this is tick the correct answer. Malu wants to listen to the story of Onam. People celebrate the festival of Onam to welcome King Mahabali. People make Pookalam with flowers. Malu loves to eat from a banana. Onam Sadhya has 10, 5, 24, 24 dishes. Okay, next page. This you will do yourself. I have done 2. You have to make 2 words from this word, like news plus paper, cup plus boat, then star plus fish, and sun plus shine. So in this way you will make 2 words from this word. Next is use of has and have. Has and have. Let me show you has and have. So has we use with singular, okay, and have we use with plural. With I we always use have. I have told you the story many times. We plural, so have. Amuma is singular, so has. Malu is singular, again singular, has. We plural, have. Our school is singular, so has. Okay. With I, we, you, they. I, we, you, they. We always use have. Okay. We have done this concept in grade 1 also. Okay, let's come next page. On the next page you have to write the 5 lines about your festival, favorite festival. I have written about Diwali. You can write about any another festival also. Next is missing letters. So you have to see, this is the festival of lights. We light diyas and candles. We exchange sweets and gifts. So which festival is that? Diwali. Okay. On this festival we make sevaiya. We also give gifts to the poor. So sevaiya when we are making on the festival of Eid. This is the festival of colors. So festival of color is Holi. We play with colors. We eat gujia on this day. Gujia. This is gujia. Next. On this day we decorate a tree. When we are decorating a tree, we wait for Santa Claus to visit us and give us. So when is Santa Claus coming? It is coming on the festival of Christmas. Okay, so this is your back exercise beta. You have to do in your book and read the chapter carefully, learn new words, read the spellings. So that's all for today. Take care. God bless you all.